Hey guys, we're going to be going over a neck strengthening exercise here. So typically people can do this on the mattress. Couch usually has an end where you can't hang off, but if you have any kind of bench like this or mattress, we're going to give this a go. So what we're going to be doing is lying flat on our back, and this is called a chin tuck exercise, but this is for strengthening and endurance of the muscles of the neck for posture. So we're going to be coming off and we're going to be laying on the end of the mattress or the end of the bed, right about shoulder level. So your head's going to be hanging off, okay? Let's get to that position. Scoot off. So you're going to feel like you're tipping over this way, which is okay. We want gravity to take over for our head. Most people will be up like this. We want to avoid that. That's the terrible posture that we're in all day. What we're going to do is keep the head as straight as we can and chin tuck and make a double chin straight down. And you're going to be taking your elbows and pushing them into the bed, keeping your shoulders back. Most people will only get about maybe 8 to 10 seconds before they start shaking like this. That's just your muscles fatiguing. Some people can get a little discomfort here. That's the muscles starting to activate. As long as you're not getting any sharp stabbing pain, you're going to keep on doing it. So you're going to hold as long as you can. Once you fatigue, the neck will either drop back or your chin will come up like this. We want to avoid this posture. Keep that chin tucked and down. As soon as you fail, as soon as the head comes up or goes back, you're going to slide down a little bit and take a rest for a few seconds, maybe up to 20 seconds. Then you can slide back up. Same thing. Elbows down into the mattress, chin down and hold. You should be able to hold this for 2 minutes without shaking. That's going to take a while to build up. So for now, work towards 20 to 30 seconds to hold like that. Again, most people only get about 8 to 10 seconds before they start shaking or come out of the posture. Just reset, wait a few seconds, and get back into it. If you have any questions, as always, just let us know.